Today we're going to be using Wireshark to do lab 2 of the HTTP. Before we do that, I need to copy this link here. We want Wireshark in administrator. Alright. We put HTTP and select that. As is seen here, we have our Wireshark. Now, in order to see common question, we need to look at our internet protocols, on which version we're using. As you can see here, I'm using, which will be the version of the HTTP version 1.1, which is running. We're using Firefox or Mozilla if you like. And then we write in here the word in the slide 1.1. Now, what are the common languages? Hold on. The accepted language that accepted for the server is English. Now, the IP address of our computer would be 192.168.16.183, which would be my IP address. And 192.16. Correction, 168.16.183, and for the client or the website that we're using of the server is 128.119.245.12, and we write that down. 128.11 9.245.12, and then we go to the status code of our browser. Let's see here. Hold on, folks. That's code. Now the status code from the browser is 200. Let me write that here. Okay, what was the last HTML that was modified when the server came? Alright, we'll see that time. It came from Wednesday, 27 January 2313, I believe, 23. Forgive me, there was a mix-up. the actual day it was from Wednesday, January 27 at 6:59 p.m. I believe, and we write that down in here. Now, at this time, that would be general amount of time for the time being. And the other question, how many bytes did of content being returned from the browser? Okay, how many bytes? I believe that would be 128, I believe. Yes, 128 bytes. And should we inspect the raw data inside the packet when do you see any header within the data not displaying the packet listing window? If so, then alright, well let's go look here. And in the content here of the packet data, I believe that there is no headers in the packet listing window. I believe it's A-OK. Correction, I don't see any headers within the data they're not displayed in the packet listing when as we were saying. And to all of you who've seen like if you saw that I was watching the video, I'm trying to follow like step by step, so I'm trying to do like in the visual and paper learning so I don't get confused, so I hopefully you understand.